Okay, Dell Optiplex hano ebyamire. Okay, abantu kyagira USB ina ebyo bihuru kimu bibiri bisatu bina kimu bibiri bisatu bina na headphones jack line yemu nkenu pen. Okay, hanyuma Dell Optiplex 9010 7010 990 na 790 nizo zimu. Okay, now hano mu maiso gayo. Okay, aho no mu maiso gayo ebyamire. Okay, then hasi yayo no aho okay, aho hasi enyuma enyuma yayo enyuma I/O ports, input and output ports, VGA, okay, USB 2, this is for USB 2, USB 3, NACO, this is for display, only display, no voice, no audio. Okay, now we have two in a DP, another display port for the display and voice. If you need no second cable needed. If you use this one, you need a second cable to plug it in here. You need one cable for here and another cable for here. For this one, you need one. This is old school, old style. And this is old school, old style. This is keyboard. You can see keyboard here. You can see keyboard here. PS2 for keyboard, PS2 for mouse. Okay. This is old school. Keyboard nowadays, keyboard is for USB, and even on top of USB there is the wireless, which is for Bluetooth, wireless keyboard and wireless mouse. Okay, you can see the shape of display port. It has teeth here, unlike HDMI, so you need an display port cable here to HDMI to go to the TV. You can hook up to screens, to displays. To displays here. Okay, that is the back panel. Okay, you use only this black section for display. This is for display combination, audio and video and pictures, etc. Here you can hook hard drive, keyboard and anything, but keyboard is better with USB 2 or USB 2. You have to know that USB 2, but for transfer it is better use USB 3. These ones here, USB 3. These ones here, not these ones. This is better for keyboard. It does not need a lot of speed. Okay, for transfer use this. Okay, this old school, if you don't have this cable, the display port to HDMI cable, you can use VGA and also a 3.5mm pin for audio audio output into the speaker, from here to the speaker or to the TV. So you need two cables if you do not have this cable. This one you'll need only one. This one you'll need two for this. This one is only one unit. Okay, the power supply from the top, from inside. It has a ventilator in the back and a ventilator here. This is the back. Okay, the other one in the inside, plus a fan to blow out hot air. To blow out hot air. This is connection for power. This light will be on, will be green. It can either be, it can be blue, white, or whatever, but it is green, like that color. When it's not green, which means there's something, maybe it is off, in sleep or something. And this button is for diagnosing or discharging the capacitor. Discharging, when you are disconnected, you discharge the capacitors in the power supply system. Okay. Okay, that is the back. Okay, at the top is here. Okay, this is the top. Okay, the year manufacturer is here. The key is here, the Windows key. This is the top, and this is the front. This is the front where we started. Okay, again, compare with the back. Two USB ports, headphone jack and microphone jack. Okay, from the front here, this is the inside. Okay, this is the inside. The power supply wires come 24 pin first. 24 pin. This is a big bunch of wire which comes into the motherboard, supplying power to the motherboard. 24 pins. Okay, 24 pins, and that is the power supply in the back. Power supply in the back. Okay, here's a PCI Express, 4 of them, long, and before the first there's a short one, and CMOS battery. The CMOS battery, you just clip it up and replace it. CR2035, is it? It's a CR2032. Mark it. Okay, CR2032. You only clip that. You put these ones here, it opens and it comes up. There it is, with a finger. Remove it, put it back. This is the negative section. This is the positive section facing you. Okay, CR2035, put it back. It's the same way you took it out. Let it sit, then push it. As simple as that. Okay, battery replaced. It can be anywhere. Okay, it can be located anywhere. PCI Express 1, 2, 3, 4. This one is long, another one is long, is short, long, white, and another one long. When you are putting in you are removing the card, the expansion card, maybe a video card, maybe USB card, maybe audio card, anything. Okay, internet card. What you do is you unclip that to open when you're removing it, but when you're putting it back, it will just clip. It just clip in place. When you're removing it, you pull it apart. Okay. Okay. All right. PCI Express. 4 of them. One long blue. One another as 2 is black short. That is ×1. You can see by its size. This one, okay, I don't know, it could be ×4 or ×8, and another one, this could be ×4 or ×8 or even ×1. You read the instructions, the user's manual. But this one I'm pretty sure it is ×16. The first one here is always 16. Okay, 16 lanes. Okay, so this is the CPU fan. We are in the back side. CPU fan, cooler, that metal object there. This is the cooler, the heat sink, aluminium. Okay, and then another exhaust fan which pulls air from the box in here to the outside. Okay, so that is the back. This is the expansion port. Okay, they removed that one. You can remove another one if you want to put another one here, depending on what you want to plug in there. One of the 4. You can remove all of them if you want to put in more things, more cards. Okay. That's the power supply. The 4 voltages it can supply are here, are written here. Okay, that's the voltage it can output, and wattage. $12 at whichever amps, another 12, another 3.5 volts, and stuff, and so on and so forth. That's the QR code. You can scan that code and get the information. Okay, you can just scan it on the screen here and get that information, or screenshot it and get the information. Okay. Okay, this is the front part. Make sure, mark the storage drives here and reading drives, whatever you might call them. They're in the front part. Mark this blue thing and this blue thing. If one blue thing is missing in the front, there's a problem. This one important because it holds the hard drive. And another thing is the power supply will have its cables. They cannot take them out, but the headers, the SATA cables, they can easily be taken out. Okay. You can see the SATA cables, SATA cable headers. They have to be 4. Okay, there's SATA 0, 1, SATA 2, SATA 3. Okay, SATA 0, SATA 1, SATA 2, SATA 3. To pull up these cables, you simply hold it at the end, at the very end, pull it out. Okay, look at the orientation. You have to mark that teeth. Okay, you see that teeth, and put it back in the same way. Just put it back like you took it out. Okay, yeah, that's the SATAs, the 12 pin power supply, the RAM 1 2 3 4. It has numbers, how they are orientated. They are telling you here, this one is DIMM 1. Okay, it is a little bit confusing here. DIMM 1 at the next, and followed by DIMM 3. Okay, that is RAM. So if you have 1, you plug 1 here. If you have 2, 1 and another. If you have 3, 1 2 and 3, and you leave this one empty. If you have 4, of course you know what to do, you plug in 4. Okay, but 1 2 3 4. Okay, you push this button here, it releases. Okay, to both sides, and then you release it and take it out. It will clip. You hear how it clips back down. So if you put it, you're putting in, you just press with 2 fingers on either end, here and here. You hold it with 2 hands. You click in here and over there at the same time. You have to make sure that the teeth in the middle is at the right, whatever, you know what I'm saying. Okay, looking from the top, you can see everything, the CPU and the RAM, everything is around the RAM. Okay, PCI Express cards, express slots here, 1 long, 2 short, 1 long, I mean 3 long and 4 long. Okay, RAM slots, 4 RAM slots, 12 pin power supply. Okay, SATA headers, there are 4 here. Okay, for data cables from the hard drive, so the hard drive has 2 headers. Okay, SATA cable. Where did I stop? Where did we stop? Okay, SATA cables. Where did we stop? The SATA. Did we see SATA? SATA cables. The RAM, the 24 pin from power supply, direct from power supply, the cable for the power to the hard drives, direct from power supply, cable direct from power supply to the 1 DVD writer reader, and another one DVD writer reader, this one here, and another one. This is all, you can call it DVD player or DVD player, and that one. There are two of them. Okay, and another direct from power supply to the what? Power supply unit, this PSU, to the motherboard, to this one for the CPU. It is near to the CPU, so it will supply power to the CPU, central processing unit, CPU. Okay, the fan which drives the exhaust. Okay, this is heatsink. This is a metal with two screws. Then the fan screws into the heatsink. If you take these ones, then you'll take it all together up at the same time. And then this one is for exhaust fan, exhaust blowing air outwards from the case. Okay, this one, it will be cooling from the CPU. Then the heat will dissipate into the aluminium thing, into that aluminium sink. Okay, heat sink. Okay, and then it will be blown away by what? By this fan, and then into the case. Now the case, because it will be closed, and then this fan will be taking it outside, heating it outside. So they will be running most of the time. They are running simultaneously. Okay, let's stop that video here. Again, this is the front with the hard drive or the storage media. The back is for the power unit, and the center is for the motherboard and other attachments that will go with the motherboard. Okay. Okay, that is the center.